Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. In this video, I will show you how to create an organization chart using Smart Object. So let's start. New slide. And here I will go to the Insert, Smart Object. Okay? And here I have hierarchy. I will choose the first one. So let it like this for the beginning. Now what I will do, I will insert, for example, I just added text here, not in the slide, to see what I want to do. So I need, for example, one president or one boss, big boss is the first one. I don't want about font. Yeah, I want the boss. I need also, for example, for manager in the second level. For managers, and I need also, for example, 8 developers. 8 developers. Okay, we don't see the text, huh? It is just to understand what I will add here. So the first level here will be the boss. This one, it is not the second level. This one, it is like the related level to this level, okay, like the secretary, etc. So this one I don't need it because it is not what I want. I need the second level here. I will add it, of course, I need 4 managers, and I will add another level for the developers. I will show you step by step how to do that. So the first thing, I can change this text to the boss. The second, I will remove this one. How to remove this related graphic in my chart or related hierarchy? Here in this panel, as you can see, I have some option to play with this chart. I can promote. You can see I may promote. It will be with the same level as the boss. Okay, I can move down. It will be another level like this one. And I can do it in the left, in the right, etc., etc. I'll change the layout. But I will how to delete it. Go to the text pan. You can deselect, no problem. But in the smart design, go to the text pan, and here you have your hierarchy. Okay. This one, as you can see, look this arrow. Look this graphic. It is not this like this one. It means it is related to this level, not another level. Okay, so to delete it, click here and push in your keyboard the button back with delete button. So back and back again, and I have delete the desired object. Now I will change this text from here. I can change it from here. So manager 1. I will change the size, don't worry, of the text. Manager 2 and manager 3, and added a new one just to push enter. A new one, manager 4. So here I have the new one. So just I will close this one, and now I can increase the size of my chart to see it very big. Okay, like this, no problem. Now I think decrease the size of the text. I don't need something like this. So home, and put like this. Okay, now I will create the third level. First level about the boss, the second about managers, and the third about the developer. How to create it? Go again to the SmartArt design and text pan, and here, for example, in manager 1 is it manage, for example, 3 developers or 2. How to do this? Or 1? How to associate the developers for this manager? Go to the manager 1 and push enter. But here, push again another button. It is tabulation. Tab. Good. I have created the second level or third level for my developers. That's right. Therefore, if I want two developers for each one, no problem, or three for two, one, no problem. You can do it as you want. Dev 2, and I will make the same thing for the Dev Manager 3, and each one have two developers. Dev 3 and developer 4. For this one, Dev 5 and Dev 6, and finish with this one, Dev 7 and Dev 8. Good. Okay, I have finished. Now I think I decrease again the size of the text to be more different. Go to the home. You can let it if you want, no problem. Huh? Like this, be different. Now I will change the color of my shirt because of the level. I don't want to. I want to see the difference between the level. It is not the same thing between the boss and the other one. No. So here, how to change the color? Click in the shirt. SmartArt design and go to the change colors. You have a lot of choice, or you can do it by yourself one by one. So for example, I will change this one. I like it. Yeah, it's very good colors, more pretty, and I think I have finished my chart. You can add, for example, if you want to have the relation directly between this developer to the boss, you can add it. You can do it directly with the chart. You can do it. It is not doesn't exist in this PowerPoint. And next version also, you can do it by, for example, insert shape directly with a line like this, and if you I want for this developer to the boss like this, but it is not good for my presentation, so I change the format of my line by doing right click. I change the connector to the elbow. Good. Now I can just, for example, move it this. I will change, don't worry, and oops, like this, and this one like this, for example. Okay, I mean I have this relation between the dev one and the post. If you don't, of course, need to see this point, you can send it directly to the back, and you have finished your presentation like this. That is how you create, how to use organization hierarchy using SmartArt. I hope that you have understand how to use it. Just practice to be familiar with all this feature about PowerPoint. See you next video, inshallah. Subscribe to my channel, Faisal Azib. Like this video, share it with your friends. Follow me on Instagram, teams.winners and Faisal.chico. Telegram, real practice and share. Tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.